July 24th, day in the life. My name's Laura Marriott, and what we're doing today on this special day is waiting for a phone call. This is our office. It's called From Save Unborn Life, and we are waiting for a young mom to call. She's contracted with us. She was abortion-minded, and after showing an ultrasound of her little baby, we convinced her that we would help her out with a small monetary sum of $3,000 if she would just choose to give the baby life and either keep it or give it up for adoption. We started in 2005. These are precious little lives that were saved last year, offering their moms just a small amount of money. We're waiting for her to deliver any moment, and when she calls, we will give her that sum for choosing life. It's ironic that the name of your project is A Life in the Day, because many of these little ones across our country don't get life. They don't get our most precious gift. And our mission is to save as many as we can from making the choice that they will regret, and to have the little ones in their womb be able to get here and enjoy life. Black, white, doesn't matter, Hispanic, just matters that if the mom is choosing abortion because of financial reasons, that she gets assisted with pro-life Americans. And again, we hope many people will join us. We believe every life is priceless, and $3,000 is just a very small sum to save an innocent baby. So that's what we're doing, 24 July, and hoping many more people will join us. Waiting for the phone to ring.